What's crazy is running my fingers through it. Like, this is how my hair used to be. I could run my fingers through it and feel hair, and it didn't. Like, now, it's like, it feels like I'm running my fingers through straw.
I get you. I mean, the frizz that I have, but to be able to throw it on.
Oh, gosh.
Instantly and not worry about it changes everything.
It does. Oh.
Welcome to the new world.
Wow.
This is just the first wig. So,
hello, Ruby.
Come on.
And that's Ruby.
And then, and this is Stacy.
This one is Emily. So Emily might have a little bit more blonde.
I like Ruby better.
Okay, see?
I don't know why.
No, that's good. We're going to keep going and show you different ones.
Bye, Emily. Sorry.
This is a Ruby 16-inch. So.
Oh, she's back.
A little bit shorter.
I like it shorter. Oh my God, it's so much hair.
And all you have to do is throw that sucker on. Does she normally every day wear a cap thing underneath it?
I don't. I wear mine just like this.
Just pop it on.
So how I keep it on, and I take it off for everybody all the time, but I spray this hairspray, got to be glued, right near my forehead, and then put it like that.
And it stays.
And that can stay on all day.
I just think the other was too long.
Yeah, short Ruby. I like
so
short
16
Ruby.
inches are good. That's what I wear, 16 inch.
I like the 16-inch.
Yep.
Okay.
And every time she takes Ruby off my head, it makes me sad.
Well, this is Grace, because we all need a little Grace, huh?
Yes.
Are you having so much fun right now?
I'm having so much fun.
Grace is a lot lighter.
Yeah,
but I want to show you.
Just see what it looks like. Oh my God.
I've been a lot of color. I really like this wig, but the color.
I
You
like
like-
the color.
See, no, I can't do the color.
It's too ashy.
It's too,
yeah, too
yeah.
white.
See, I'm not a blonde.
I see. I like it.
Well, you would, because you're a blonde. The wig,
That
I
is
think, is
not blonde.
beautiful.
Yeah, but on with your complexion and what you want, that ruby, you see it though.
Can I do this with Ruby? Because this doesn't feel.
The same thing. It's the same density. These are all 130% density is what we get. This is the inside, so you see the lace like that.
Okay.
Has this. There are some clips here. I don't use the clips on the side right here. I never clip mine in. You can if you want more security. But
You ever had one blow off your head?
I went 45 miles an hour on a Sea-Doo. I got a TikTok to prove it. And it did not go anywhere. I mean, look. I just did the hairspray and look at that. This is Ellie.
Really?
Do you have an Ellie?
I do. It's the mom I was telling you about earlier. It's her angel.
Ellie.
Ellie. It
I
is.
like that.
So Ellie is one of my sweet girls that has like 26 and has melanoma. And that's
I kind
Ellie.
of like Ellie. I kind of like Ellie.
This doesn't have that face frame. Like some people love that money piece, and some people are like, I don't want a lot of money piece. So this is just very natural.
I think that's why I like it.
Yeah, I think it is more natural.
Ellie. Oh, Carrie will die. She will absolutely die if I tell her what I did. It's either Ellie or Ruby.
Yeah. Okay. So.
So let's go back and forth, okay?
Yeah.
So
do you want
here's
me to
Ellie.
take a photo of
Yes,
Ellie?
I love that. So take a
Turn her
picture
around
of her
turn
here.
her around here. Okay, and we gotta do. Okay.
And there's Stacy, beautiful too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
She's beautiful.
It's Ellie.
That's what and that's once you put them on,
But
you
I
go
do
back
get
and
to see
forth.
the
But
picture.
then go back to Ellie. So see, now I don't see that. But I want to make wigs normal.
Yeah.
We wear extensions.
Yeah.
People don't hide that they have extensions. They're
Nobody
like, hey,
does.
look, I got extensions. I got fingernails. We get enhanced all these other places that people do.
You're so right.
Why can't we wear the wig?
Yeah.
If it makes you feel better about yourself, wear the wig.
It's
I hated
Ellie.
the word wig. I hated it.
Yeah.
And someone said, a wig is a woman in God. And I was like, okay, fix my crown.
It's the Ellie.
Yep. Going back to Ellie.
Yeah.
Feels more like you.
It does. It feels more like me. And there's a special Ellie, so it represents.
Yes, you knew this
something
was the
special.
one.
Yeah. This
Does
is
this
Love
match
it.
my color?
Love it. And she's playing. We love this.
This is so
We've
much
had
fun,
too
y'all.
much fun.
It's so much fun. This is better than any dress-up party I've ever been to.
No to that one,
I
yes.
didn't know you were lying.
It's okay.
I love it.
Yeah, this is it.
All right. Here's what we say. We
we
dig
say?
the wig.
We dig the wig.
Women
Thank you
in
so
God.
much.
Yes.
Women in God. Love it. Oh my goodness, I love it.